Hello, amazing viewers! Welcome to another episode of Children of Asia Games Diaries.
I'm Aisan and she is Kunei. Today, we and our friends are excited to share the latest news about the Children of Asia Games.
The game of Go is included in the Children of Asia Games for the first time. 26 participants are competing to capture territories on Go bands, which are special game boards. In this game, players fight for resources. Historically, the main resource was land, and Go reflects this territorial struggle. Winning or losing in Go depends entirely on skill, not luck. Soon, the names of the strongest Go players will be announced. Although the rules of Go can be learned in 5 minutes, it is considered one of the most complex games in the world. Players will compete for 4 sets of medals in team, pair, and individual tournaments for boys and girls.
In volleyball competition, the national teams of China and Kazakhstan faced off. Neither team wanted to be at the bottom of the standings. The intensity on the court was comparable to the final matches between the favorites. Every player was extremely focused and tried to handle even the toughest serves. However, in 3 sets, the Chinese team lost to Kazakhstan. The Chinese players are leaving Yakutsk without medals this time, but they have become beloved by all participants and spectators. In the semifinals, teams from the Ural Federal District will play against Uzbekistan, and Siberia will face Belarus. The final will take place tomorrow.
In the debut sport of climbing, athletes competed in speed climbing. The rules are simple. Athletes need to complete an identical course as quickly as possible. The first to reach the top wins. Anastasia Popova from the Urals and Maria Silkina from Siberia had a close race for the gold medal. They reached the finish simultaneously, but Maria touched the final bottom just 0.32 seconds faster. The new climbing wall will allow Yakutsk residents to reach a new level in climbing.
Athletes competed in running distances, long jump, high jump, and triple jump. For many athletes, the Children of Asia Games are the first international competition. Some athletes did not specialize in 4x400 relay, but they still showed good results. Yesterday's competitors became today's teammates in the relay race. The unique aspect of this event was the formation of international teams. On the final day of competitions, athletes from different teams participated in a friendship relay formed by drawing lots. The medals won were counted towards the overall medal tally for each team whose representatives were part of the friendship relay teams.
Breaking competitions took place at Komsomolskaya Square. Breaking was included in the Children of Asia Games program in 2022, held in Vladivostok. Breaking is often seen as a subjective sport involving music, tricks, and a fun atmosphere. At a first glance, it may not seem like a competition at all. However, breakdancing is an Olympic sport that will debut in Paris in a few months. Dancing in battles is primarily a one-on-one competition. Skill is essential, but each participant must improvise to music they hear for the first time. 3 sets of medals were awarded in solo and duet categories.
Don't go anywhere, there's plenty of exciting things ahead.
Catch you later, stay tuned.
See you soon!